Since the 1950s, humanity has explored the many ways aliens could invade the Earth. But the ugly truth is that no intelligent race need risk their own lives to kill humans, while humans are so willing to kill each other. I've been researching the activities of a few corporations that all tie back to a handful of really bad people. They have their fingers into everything from guns and diamonds to cargo freighters and political back office dealings.
Secret society.
What if we are pawns in someone else's game? What if inhumanity really isn't human? What if the infectious thirst for power over others and the urge to decide another's fate was planted intentionally? What if an alien race discovered humanity's greatest weakness, being human? Have they already arrived?
Have they arrived?
What master do you serve? Silent invasion.